in kind or in cash. And we are saying enough is enough.
Paul Okello ekurokete wira o ta mutugo no na ataikarite muno.
Three principles. And many teachers around the town.
And what are you going to do to schools?
Ando mahovaniria wa vici yake matari na rutha. Mubuge wa Igamba Ng'ombe Muthomi Njuki hamwe na aikari angi nio mamuhamurithirie na kumuria oime wa vici na ihenya.
So we want you to pack your things, whatever little you have, but don't carry the office things because the office things belong to this office. You go to Nairobi. We are not going to hurt you in any way because silently we are telling you to leave. And we will close this office.
Okello aramenererio ni kiria kuratuika ati ari na mito mikiru ya besha na ati arumbuyagia arutani atumia na kumatwara thukuru-ini iria mekwenda nao arutani arume magatigwo merumbuye.
He has a very high appetite for money and women. So take care. Deploy him near your office where you can be observing him.
His operations are riddled with a lot of corruption. He can take anything for any favor that he would wish to do for those who are willing to bribe.
Ona kuhuana uguo obitha amwe a urugamiriri wa githomo thiini wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi moigite ti mutugo mwega kuruturura mutongoria kuma wa vici ya muigi.
They should write letters of complaint, but not evicting public servants, from offices without raising complaints. So as staff of TSC, we are condemning it. We are not happy.
Maobitha a borithi matina kinya na ihenya mbere ya Okello guconorwo na njira ya kurutururwo uru no ni marutire mbao iria ikuhuriirwo kuma mwena umwe nginya ungi wa murango wa wabici yake niguo riu ithie na mbere na kuruta wira amu iyo ni wabici ya thirikari.